phone with my boyfriend. What's your name, sir?
Fikes.
Okay.
Okay, I need you to hurry up.
I'm sorry. I'm getting. Hold on, sir.
You're dressed, so I need you out. Let's go.
am. You do not need to stare at me though. Hold on. Let me talk.
Nobody's staring at you. I need you out.
Hold on. There's like an officer right there that's staring me down. His name is Officer what?
Fikes, get your stuff and get out.
He's looking at me. He's looking at me really weird. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. He's actually staring me down, bro.
Listen, I'm gonna tell you one more time to get your stuff and get out, or you're gonna go to jail.
I'm gonna go to jail for what?
Disorderly conduct. Now get your stuff.
Conduct?
Do you want to go to jail?
Are you fucking shitting me?
Get your stuff and let's go.
Hold on, baby. Listen. You heard that? Alright, hold on. No, you're fine, sir. Officer fucking Fikes.
Get your stuff.
Got you off the fucking fight. What the fuck? Atlanta's mad fucking ghetto, bro. It's the most ghetto fucking shit in the world, bro. What the fuck? Are you shitting me? What the fuck? Yo. Oh my fucking god.
40 up 26.
Jail for a fucking hotel room that I paid for. That's insane, bro. Oh my fucking god, this is the most ghetto. And you don't even have a mask on. Fucking COVID, bro. What the fuck? This is disgusting. Oh my god. This is crazy, bro. Oh my god.
Where's your ID?
I'm sorry, excuse me, what?
Where's your ID?
My ID is right here. You need a mask, sir,
I'll get
because you
one.
have fucking COVID. You might have COVID.
I need your ID.
6 feet, and I need to fucking go. Excuse me.
I need your ID.
For what?
Because you're going to be issued a criminal trespass warning, so you can't come back here.
I don't fucking care about coming back here.
Okay,
but you
but
don't
I need
need
your
my
ID.
ID because you're not going to arrest me and I'm fucking leaving.
I am going to get your ID so that I can do my report for your criminal trespass.
Get my ID from the front.
Nope.
In Atlanta, my birthday was last Friday, and this is so fucking ghetto, bro. This is fucking ghetto. Just so you know, you live in a ghetto-ass spot. Here, here's my fucking ID. But here, walk out. Let me get my shit from out first.
No, I need your ID.
Yeah.
We're not walking out of this room without your ID.
Well, sir, why are you entrapping me in this room?
Really? You're making this a lot worse than it's
I'm
got
trying
to
to leave.
be. Let me have your ID.
I'm trying to leave.
Give me your ID.
Or sir, is this a guy? Excuse me. Do you think that this is right?
Let me have your ID.
About 2 seconds to hand over that ID. I'm breaking out my handcuffs.
I already told her she's getting ready to go to jail.
For what? For what?
You're making this a lot worse than it's got to be.
Why am I being criminally trespassed though?
Because they don't want you in this hotel. That's the third time I've told you that.
What did I do? What did I do wrong?
You didn't check out on time, number one. Okay? Give me your
Number
ID.
one.
Listen.
What's number two?
I'm going to tell you
Here's
one
my
more
ID.
time.
Sir, here's my ID, but what's number two? What did I fucking do wrong, number two?
Let's go. Let's go.
What did I do wrong? What else did I do fucking wrong?
Leave the hotel room, or I'm going to let you leave in
That's
handcuffs.
crazy. I've never been
I don't care what your opinion thinks.
Can you
Let's
please
go.
move? I know.
I'm
there's
trying to.
fucking COVID around,
Okay, then hold the door yourself.
Don't fucking get around me. Ew. I'm not from this country and I'm not about to stay here. This is retarded, bro. There's COVID around.
This way.
Please, 6 feet, please.
Okay, I'll walk 6 feet behind you. Go.
Alright, perfect. Alright, excuse me.
Isn't that worried that you don't have a mask on?
Excuse me. My fucking mask is right here, but the fact that you guys have masks on is fucking great. But right now, fuck the rights.
What?
Fuck right now. I have a fucking mask on. It's okay. I have a mask right here.
Stop cussing.
What are you talking about? Why can't I fucking cuss?
Because there's other people
Freedom of
around.
fucking speech. Oh, okay. Oh,
Let go.
hold
Let go.
on.
I've had enough. Let go.
Sir.
You're
Okay,
under arrest.
I'm
Stop.
Under arrest.
I'm sorry. Okay, excuse me. Excuse me.
Stop.
Oh my god.
Stop resisting. Put your hands behind your back.
Oh my god.
Put your hands
Oh
behind
my
your
god. I'm
back.
sorry. Oh my god. Oh my
Listen,
god.
you would make this a lot easier, okay, if you would just listen to instructions, but instead, you want to mouth off and cuss after we've told you not to. You don't want to leave the hotel room when you've been ordered to, so now you made this a lot harder than it's got to be.